In this video, we'll factor the equation for x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. And we'll use these guidelines to help us. First thing we want to do, set up a skeleton here. So our skeleton, that looks like this. Now we can add the signs into the skeleton. So I see this negative term in the center. If the center term is negative, I'm going to have two negatives in my skeleton. So I'll just put a negative here and here. Now we can find the factors for the last term that'll equal the middle term. So this is our last term and we want the factors to equal the middle term. So for 10 we could have 1 times 10, that would equal 10, or 2 times 5. That's pretty much it. So it looks like 2 plus 5, that would give me the 7 here. So I'll put 2 here and 5 here. And now we can check our work with the FOIL method. That'll give us, so we multiplied the first terms, the outside, the inside, and the last terms. And this is what we end up with. And this is the same thing is up here. We have x squared, so minus 5x and minus 2x, that's the minus 7x, and then we have 10. So it's the same equation. And that means that we've done this correctly. Now let's find the values for x here that'll make it a true statement. So we could say x minus 2 equals 0, so x would equal 2. And if we put a 2 in for each x here, and we did the math, 2 squared minus 7 times 2 plus 10, all that adds up to 0. Likewise, if we said x minus 5 equals 0, x would equal 5. And if we put 5 in for x here and here, did the math, that would also equal 0. So these are the correct solutions. If you use the quadratic equation, you get the same thing. It's just a different way of doing it. This is Dr. B factoring the equation x squared minus 7x plus 10 equals 0. Thanks for watching.